In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair NinjaTrader 8. If your platform feels sluggish, charts don't load as expected, or trade history looks off, a quick database repair can often clear things up. We'll use a safe built-in tool inside NinjaTrader 8 that checks for inconsistencies and tidies up internal records without touching your strategies, indicators, or workspaces. Start from the NinjaTrader Control Center, which is the main window you see when the platform opens. At the top, click Tools, then choose Database Management. This opens a dedicated panel for maintaining the data that NinjaTrader relies on, including historical prices, executions, and cache files. You're not changing any trading settings here, just preparing to run a health check on the database that supports your charts and performance. In the Database Management window, look for the Repair DB section. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the Repair option. The Repair DB function is designed to scan for common issues, reconcile references, and clean up anything that could be causing delays or glitches. Think of it as a targeted tune-up for the data layer that powers your platform's responsiveness. Now, click Repair. NinjaTrader will begin checking and fixing internal database issues. You might see a progress bar or a brief pause while it works. This can take a few moments, especially if you've accumulated a lot of historical data, and that's normal. While the repair is running, avoid closing the platform or interrupting the process. If any on-screen prompts appear, simply follow them to allow the repair to complete. The tool focuses on integrity and consistency, so it won't remove your custom workspaces, templates, or personal settings. When it finishes, you'll get a confirmation that the process is complete. After the repair completes, restart NinjaTrader. Close the application fully, then reopen it from your usual shortcut. This restart is important because it reloads services, reconnects data, and applies the cleanup you just performed. When the platform comes back up, you should notice smoother chart loading, more responsive navigation, and cleaner data behavior. If you were experiencing oddities like missing bars or mismatched executions, many of those symptoms should be improved or resolved. That's all there is to it. Open Tools, go to Database Management, run Repair DB, and then restart NinjaTrader. Use this built-in repair whenever you suspect database hiccups, especially after large imports or long sessions. It's a quick way to keep NinjaTrader 8 running reliably so you can stay focused on your analysis and execution.